Hi, we are Can We Bark here, and we travel full-time in our RV with our dog Kona. Today we're going to be checking out Mesa Verde National Park, so come along with us and check it out. Good morning guys, we just woke up and we are in Durango, Colorado. We stayed in a Home Depot parking lot last night just because it was convenient, and we got here super late and there was lights so we could see where we're to park. I'm still kind of waking up, but Ryan's ran into the Home Depot to use the bathroom because our composting toilet's kind of acting up. We think something kind of blocked it. Long story short, we're avoiding using it until we change it out, but we're out of coconut core, so it might be a little while till we can start using it again, which is super inconvenient because we've been boondocking since the weather is permitting. But anyways, we're making coffee right now, and then I'm gonna change and we're gonna hit the road and we're gonna be going into Mesa Verde National Park. But first we're also going to walk Kona, and the reason we're up so early is because I scheduled a tour, because I was told that you actually get to go inside the cliff dwellings if you do a scheduled tour. So we'll hopefully get there by 10, and the tour starts around 10:30, and it should be about 30 minutes to an hour, and then we'll go to all the overlooks that are open and available since it is late October, and then we are going to hit the road and go to Telluride after we've explored the national park, and we'll spend the night in Telluride, Colorado. We've never been there before, and I'm really excited to just be in a ski town, and although the snow isn't on the ground, I think it'll be a lot of fun exploring, and we'll probably go out to eat and get some drinks. And then tomorrow we'll have another action-packed day because we are going to the Black Canyon of the Gunnison. I think I'm saying that correctly.
Wrong-o.
Black Canyon of the Gunnison National Park.
And we're gonna explore the entire park in a day again, and hopefully just find a spot on an iOverlander for that evening and boondock outside the park. Mesa Verde and Black Canyon of the Gunnison both have campgrounds that are still open, but I think they have bathrooms that are open, and pretty soon those won't be open anymore either. It'll just be basically dry camping, which they call primitive camping, which works for us. But we want to save the 20 bucks because we might as well go a few minutes down the road and boondock, because it's basically the same thing for us. But yeah, I'm excited to bring you guys along with us. We're super excited to explore new national parks, and yeah, come along with us. Relatively packed up in here, and we're hitting the road. Ready to go, Ryan?
Oh, I'm ready.
Ready, Kona? Honestly, the views to the left are pretty great, but then you look out like my window and it looks like a scene out of The Lion King. It's pretty ugly. So we entered the national park probably about, 20 minutes ago, and we're just climbing up and up and up in elevation, and we're looking down at like the valley floor of the cities around us, and it is really desolate. That is our first impression, and we're kind of confused so far why this is a national park, but hopefully at the top it's going to be worth it, and we're going to see why it is one. There are bathrooms up here, so I just use those, walk to Kona, and the tour starts in 15 minutes. So we're headed over to the overlook to meet our tour group, and we're excited to see the cliff dwellings. Aren't we, Ryan?
Yeah.
Okay.
Looks pretty cool.
They did lots of really, really good work, but it was long before OSHA. And so the stairs, some of them are this size, and some of them are this size. This little gate, that would be appreciated.
It's been there forever.
I think so.
There you go. That's a good spot. See if we can't fit everybody in the shade.
Touch.
So cool.
I think they check in the pits.
Attention.
Cool little houses.
See, steps, I think.
I guess.
I don't know what that means. This is cool. Big one here. Alright.
Shouldn't it?
Up and up and up. It's the elevation.
Yeah.
Yeah. We just finished our tour in Mesa Verde, the Cliffs Dwellings tour. It was really cool and educational. Definitely recommend it because we got to go inside of it. We've explored a lot of national parks, but Mesa Verde is definitely a very unique and unusual one. If you're going to add this to your road trip, definitely book a tour of the cliff dwellings. They are super unique and we loved the history behind them, and getting inside of them is really cool versus just going and looking at it from the viewpoint. Also to note before going and doing this yourself, make sure you're able-bodied and that you're capable of climbing the ladders and taking all of the steps down into the cliff dwellings. It is a little bit challenging, but for us it was very easy. I just know that there was a good amount of people on our tour that I was a little skeptical if they should be there or not, but we did really enjoy it and we'd recommend checking out this cliff dwellings. There are all kinds of them and it was a lot of fun. If you could take a second and like and subscribe, and also if you could help support us on Patreon, that would be amazing. The link is down in the description, and we'll see you again next Sunday.